Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these farls. Let's begin. To start on the recipe, you'll want to make the lactic ferment. So into a medium sized bowl, add in your buttermilk. Then into the buttermilk, you'll want to add your wholemeal flour and your white flour and just mix it all together until it's well combined. Once it's combined, you can then cover with cling film and leave at room temperature for a minimum of 2 hours, working you up to 24 hours. If you go over the 24 hours, you will need to throw it away and restart. So around 12 hours later I was ready to start on the recipe, so grab yourself a large mixing bowl and into the bowl you'll want to place your bread flour along with your salt, baking powder and sugar, and just give them a brief mix before you add in the lactic ferment. Here is what my lactic ferment looked like after around 12 hours. You'll want to remove the cling film and add that directly into the bowl on top of the flour. Then you can start mixing it on a low speed to start with, roughly for around 2 minutes, working your way up to a medium high speed for around 4 to 5 minutes or until a clear dough is formed. So once your dough is done, you can sprinkle some bread flour on your work surface and then add the dough onto the floured surface. You just give it a brief knead to incorporate some of the flour if your dough is a bit sticky, but you just want to get the dough nice and smooth. Once you've got it nice and smooth, you can then start to roll it out. I started to flatten mine out first as I found that was the best way to start, but again you can just go with a rolling pin and start rolling it, whichever method works best for you. You will want to roll the dough out into a circular shape to around about 9 inches, that's the perfect size. Cover with cling film and rest for around 5 minutes before you put it into the frying pan, so preheat your frying pan right now. Place the dough directly into the frying pan and then with a scotch scraper or a cutter you'll just want to cut directly into the dough, having 4 equal parts. Mine aren't very equal, but you'll want to make sure you've cut all the way through as these will bake individually then. You can then go ahead and cook the farls for 3 to 8 minutes on each side, and you want to cook it for the same amount of time on each side, flipping roughly when you think they are ready. They should be well coloured on the bottom and that's fine. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will be back on Thursday with another video for you, so join me then. But in the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog and a link to all my social media, so don't forget to go and follow me over on there. But yeah, that's all for today. Bye guys.